Hi, today we are going to create a little example that will show how to use Spring MVC. Firstly, we have to create a project, new, other, Spring template project. Spring MVC project. The project name, Spring MVC 2, and the package www.springmvc.com. Okay, we already have the project. Into this folder views, we are going to pop all the GSP. Firstly, we are going to create a Pojo, the username.java. We are going to create the attributes, the name, last name, and password. We have to create the setters and getters too. Source, generate getters and getters. Okay, this is all for this class user, and also we have to create a reference here. User section. This section, this link is going to link us to another page called users. Users. Okay, we have home and users too. Home has a reference to users, this page. Now we are going to create a users management implementation, new package, doc service. New class, users manager in. Into this class we are going to create a list. This list is going to be filled with users and is going to be returned. Public static list list users. Util we're going to declare the list user these users right list. So now we are going to create the user, and the list will be returning all the users that we have created. User 1, user 1, new user. User 1, set name. Okay, this is the first user, and we are going to create the second user too. Darth Vader. These users.add the user 1 and the user 2. Okay, so now we already have the implementation, the service, and the user, and we have another class, the controller. New class, package, controller, users, controller. Controller. Okay, we have it. Now the request mapping. Value users. This request mapping is going to help us to map the user's GSP method, request method, get Here we need an attribute model. Request mapping, value, and also locate. And now we are going to get the data from the list, the users. Getting the users. List user users list users This method is getting the list of users, and we are receiving that information here. So we have to send all the information to the model, and the model is going to show the information in a view. Model.app attribute. Here we're going to send the list of users to a view, to the view, and there we are going to be able to see all the information. Here. Users. We need a loop here for each items. And we are sending this list. User user dot name last name and password. Okay, we test this. We had a problem here. Welcome user section, users. This is not showing the information. Why? Because need some tag here. We need to put this tag here. Tag Yuri GSP core, and we need a prefix C. user section, they're black. 1, 2, 3. As name, we have to check this. Name, as name, password, controller, this, users. User 1. Why? We got an error here. Last name, set name, set last name, set password. Sorry about this, I didn't see it. Set last name, set name, set password. Okay, we have to run it again. Users that better than name, last name, password, name, last name, password. Okay, so as you can see, we are getting the information from the implementation, and we are putting all the information into a model, and the model is showing the information to a view. Thank you so much. That's all for this.